What's up guys, Visual here, but you can call me James, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get noticed as a graphic designer. So guys, I get so many questions asked to me on social media. How do you get noticed as a graphic designer and actually get your work out there, whether you're a beginner or you just want to grow a little more? In fact, you can never be too big of a graphic designer. Even me personally, I want to grow and I want to get noticed by more and more people. So hopefully this video will help you guys out. I have 4 tips that I will be covering, and by the end of this video, as I said, you will be able to get noticed by more people and overall get more clients and earn more money as a graphic design business. I'm going to go ahead and kick this video off here with the first tip that I have noted down, and this is going to be designing for popular YouTube channels, or in fact just anyone popular on social media. Now I know already a lot of people do actually do this, however I will be explaining the correct way to do it. So all you have to do, really simple, is find a large YouTube channel, or in fact anyone large on social media, and you need to check if they have a poorly designed YouTube revamp, say for example, or even poorly designed thumbnails, and all you go ahead and do is just create them some work. It's also great practice for you, and you can also put it on your portfolio. Once you are done, just make sure the design is suited for them and also for their channel, and you can go ahead and post this work onto Twitter. You can post it onto, say for example, Instagram if they are more based on Instagram, but definitely Twitter is the best social media to get it noticed. And once it's on Twitter, just make sure you're of course tagging them in this post, and once it is posted, then it's your time to promote it. So you can promote your post via like Discord servers. I'll leave a link to mine in the description down below, and you can post that on there. There's like different chat rooms normally in Discord servers, and there's always one for promotion, so you can go ahead and link it there. You can also link it to your friends, ask for feedback as well, and yeah, just try and get as many interactions on that tweet as possible. So you want to get likes, you want to get comments, replies, you want to get retweets as well, and once this all builds up, then eventually a lot of the time the popular channel does actually notice this design. Whether they go ahead and they like it, or they comment, they retweet it, or they even go ahead and use the design and maybe even use you for future work, then you have achieved the goal. Your work has been noticed by more people, because if they go ahead and they retweet that, then a lot more people are going to actually discover you. They might go ahead and message you for some work, and it's a header design for, say for example, a phase member, and they notice that design, then it's going to get noticed by a larger audience. It's really simple, but that's definitely a good tip, is to design for popular channels. Have a strong personal identity. Now by this I mean every graphic designer does need a strong distinctive brand that can be identified by, say for example, their viewers or just their followers in general. An example of a well-designed logo and well-designed brand name, I'm just going to use myself for an example. Of course there is better ones out there, but we don't do free promotion out here. So yeah, regardless, my brand VisualArts, of course I have the name VisualArts, and I have the V logo which does actually link to that. Basically, having a strong personal identity is going to let people actually acknowledge the fact that it is you, and overall this is going to help build your graphic design brand itself. Okay, so the next tip I have here is to try something new. Now I can't stress enough how important this is as a graphic designer, because you want people to be like refreshed when they see your work with something new. You don't want to be creating the same old thing every design post. So what you want to do, I'm going to give you an example. Say you only make Twitter headers, give like album cover arts a go, post it onto Twitter and see how it does, because of course a lot of the time it could just not do as well, and then you know maybe in the future not to do that type of design. On the other hand, you could post that cover art onto Twitter and it gets a load of likes, also gets like a load of good feedback, then you know that you can start creating cover arts as well as Twitter headers, and also you can charge for both on your website, or if anyone contacts you for a cover art, then you know you can do it. I don't think I explained this too well, but the bottom line is try new stuff. There's literally no harm in it whatsoever, and yeah, see how it goes. Okay, so the fourth and final tip I have here is to have a strong portfolio. Now I'm just going to say straight off the bat, if you're in 2018 and you're a graphic designer with no portfolio, then I honestly don't know what you're doing. It's definitely a really good way to grow your business and also also receive clients as well. And in addition to this, it's actually super easy to make with like website builders. There's so many out there. You can pay like really small amounts, only like £10 a month, and you will get yourself like a domain and you'll get yourself a hosting on the website, and you can use a template to make it, and it's as simple as that. You can make that £10 back a month easily with clients. However, if you would like to go for the free option, you can create a online portfolio using other websites, for example Behance. I'll leave a link to a couple in the description down below so I can help you guys out. But yeah, as I said, it's so easy to create a portfolio, and it is the best place for you to actually showcase your work and for new people to discover your work and learn a little bit more about you. As I said on the last tip to try new stuff, make sure that your portfolio does actually have a variety of different designs. It has YouTube banners, Twitter headers, logos, whatever it may be. Just make sure it's not stuck to one niche thing. Also, another small tip, make sure you are promoting this website, whether that be on your social media or whatever, or when you post a design, make sure you link your website, because that way new clients can actually access your website. They're not going to probably find it on Google search, so you need to promote that yourself. And yes, there really isn't much else to say. Just having a strong portfolio is definitely going to help you get noticed and earn more clients. Anyways guys, that's it for the video. If you did go on to enjoy this video and the tips did help you, then make sure to leave a like. That would be much appreciated. As well as that, if you want to see more graphic design videos like this in the future, then please consider subscribing to the channel with post notifications on, and you will be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And finally guys, if you are looking to improve any of your design work with my graphic design packs, then make sure to check out my design store. I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. There's a lot of different stuff on there to help you. And yes guys, that's it for the video. As I said, hopefully you enjoyed. This has been Visual or James, and I'm out. Peace.